Hello, my name is Abdul Majid. Today I am doing about homework assignment 2 of payment analysis. So the question is, as we can see, shows a concrete pavement with the thickness and elastic modulus as indicated. Assuming a modulus of rupture of 650 psi, a load transfer coefficient of 3.2, a service loss from 4.5 to 2.0 with poor drainage of 5% of time near saturation. As we all know, we have to do this and check the result by the ASTO design chart. So let's see. It's shown here that D is equals to 8 inches according to the figure, and we have the values of subgrade, granular, sub-base and Portland cement concrete, as EC is equals to 4 into 10 power 6 psi and ESB and subgrade MR. So let's see. Now we can go to the problem. From the question we can take the values of D is equals to 8 inches and SC, which is also called as modulus of rupture, is equals to 650 psi, and we have EC also, which is known as the value of 4 into 10 power 6 psi. As you can see here, Portland cement concrete. Now we go for the load transfer coefficient, as J is equals to 3.2, and in the question it is shown that delta psi is equals to 4.5 to 2.0, or we can say minus this 4.5 minus 2.0, we will get the value of 2.5. So after getting all these values, we have to find the composite modulus of subgrade KF, which is having the formula of 1 by KSB plus 1 by KSG power minus 1, where KSB is equals to 5000 psi by inch and KSG is equals to 5000 psi by inch. When we are substituting these values, we will get to know like 3 by 5000. So the final answer will be 1666.67 psi by inches. Psi by inches is also known as PCI. So we get the value of K efficient is equals to 1666.67 PCI. After getting all these computing terms, we have the formula like log 10 D plus 1 is equals to, we have like D as 8, so 8 plus 1 is equals to 9, log 10 9 is equals to 0.954. So like D power 0.75 is equals to, as we have D as 8, so 8 power 0.75 is equals to approximately 4.756. So in the final term we have like K power 0.75, as we get the value of 1666.67 power 0.75, which is approximately up to 342.5. We have the formula like log 10 power W18 is equals to 7.35 into 0.954 minus 0.06 plus 0.0695 plus 4, 1 by 2. In the final calculation, by substituting all these values, we will get these 1.005 into 10 power 11, which is clearly too high. So we will get the answer as 8.5 into 10 power 6 is the correct, because according to taking all this in the formula, we will getting the value high. So that's why 8.5 into 10 power 6 is the correct answer. Let me substitute all these values in the Excel sheet and you will get to know what is the exact thing. So we are opening the Excel sheet. In the Excel sheet, as we have SO, let me see in the PDF what is SO. So we have SO, SO is equals to SC is equals to 650. J is equals to 3.2. Zero, and we have like D as 8 inches, so we can take is equals to 8 inches. PT as 2, like we have minus that from the 4.5 minus 2.5, so we get the value of 2, as you can remember that point. EC is in the question, which is like 4 into 10 power 6 psi. We can write as 4.00 shift E plus for 4 into 10 power 6 psi, we can write as 4.00 E plus 06. As we have SC 650 psi, we are taking ZR as 0, and CD is equals to 0.9, and J is equals to 3.5, and we can take 350 as PCI, because if we take 1666.67 according to the solution which I solved, we will getting the value as high. So if we want to get the answer as 8.5 into 10 power 6, we have to take the PCI value as 350. So we can get the exact value of 8.5 into 10 power 6. By doing all these values and substituting it, we can get the final answer as 8.6 into 10 power 6 psi, which can be written as so 8.5 into 10 power 6 can be write as 8.50 E plus 06. So we will get the answer. We are not taking this value because it is too high. We have to get at least up to this 8.5 into 10 power 6. If we change the PSI, then we can definitely get this answer. So K efficient is equals to 1,666. Instead of that, if we take as K is equals to 350, which I have submitted in the Excel sheet, if we do according to this, then we will get like exact value. K is equals to 350. If we take, then we can get the answer as 8.50 E plus 06. So that's it. If you do all these things, then definitely we will get the answer as final 8.5 into 10 power 6 PSI. So this is about the homework assignment 2 of payment analysis. So that's it, and my AGI ID is 800919011. Abdul Majid. Thank you.